Let's install this GP Winglet for my CFMOTO 300 SR. I've searched the internet for a bit long looking for this winglet style. Other sellers has priced this way too much compared to the same part for the 450 SR that is half the price. So I found this part a bit cheaper than what I was currently seeing. I instantly ordered this LOL and confirmed with the seller multiple times if this was the correct part. This took almost a week before it arrived. Here I installed 3M double-sided adhesive. I bought the Auto Advance super strength molding tape to use for these parts. I applied the adhesive to the shape where it will mold to the body for a strong hold. I did not use the generic tape included, since I am not sure on how strong it would hold up. Here is a quick look of the bike before we install the winglet. Let's wipe the surface first before we apply the part, since we are not using any hardware to mount it, and we'll only be using adhesive to fix it in place, so it's better to have a clean surface for it to hold on to. I'm going to show you here a mock-up on where the winglet will be placed. It sticks on the upper head light fairing on the bottom fairings of the bike. I tried to test fit this before adding adhesive, but the parts doesn't really fit flush with the body. My guess is that this is the same part for the 450 SR with only different top mounting points. As you can see, it will cover up the sticker of the bike model. It's up to you if you would keep it or remove it. I'll keep it for the time, as I still have plans for this bike in the future. Before we fully install this, it is best you don't remove all the protective tape and leave half of it still attached. It will be easier to mock up the position of the winglet when everything is sticking, and you still have to move it a few times. After placing it in a good position, then we will remove the remaining tape that we left so we can adjust the part if needed. After peeling off the tape, gently push on the parts for it to stick flush with the body of the bike. You can see here, since I added more of the adhesive, it will show on the body of the bike on where it sticks. I will change this in the future if all fall to place on my plans. Same on the other side. Wipe it down and clean it first before applying the part for a much stronger surface to stick. Leave half of the tape cover so application can be adjusted easily if needed. I was having a hard time here, and I have to check on the other side if this is aligned on where I mounted it. After checking and satisfied on where it's currently at, and it is aligned with the other side, remove the remaining tape cover and gently press on the parts for it to hold on to the body firmly. Now we've completed the install, and I am really stoked on how this turned out. Quality of the parts could be better, but it's all right. This winglet completely changes the look of the bike, and it has a more aggressive stance after adding it. Here is a quick shot of the bike after the install. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. More parts to install soon.